yeah, I went shopping in H&M. As you can see, one of the kids was dangling on the neck curtain. They've ended up ripping the neck curtain, so this needs changing. Yeah. I also bought new bed sheets for my son. He sleeps at the top of the bed. I really like this. It goes with the theme that I'm going for. I just love plants, and I like the whole giraffe design it has on it too. So. So guys, I went online and ordered another bed sheets for the bottom bed because I was like, I really like it up there and I just wanted it to be coordinating. I went shopping in H&M. I don't know if you were following like my vlog back last year, maybe September, October, where like I vlogged like every single day in that month. And I was looking for cushions for my sofa downstairs. Couldn't find any, so I DIY'd the ones that I already had. At the same time, I really wanted like a statement piece cushions on my sofa. H&M are just perfect for cushions. These ones, I know I keep mentioning them. These like these ruffled, like look at that. That is H&M. So yeah, I went shopping in H&M. With my sofa, I realised that. So these cushions over here, originally they were for downstairs. Or were just too many on the sofa. So that's why I ended up moving it upstairs. I realised it was just disturbing. I remember Dad was like, there's too many cushions on the sofa. I thought, let me just find huge ones that will look really statement, just 1 or 2 cushions on the sofa. So I picked up a big cushion filler. I picked up 2 cushion cases, and they basically look like this. They are pink. It's like blush pink, so they look like this. I feel like showing it like this won't make it justice, but it's just such really nice cushions. The other thing I loved about it as well is it had the green tones, which in my living room, I am a plant obsessed, fake plant obsessed. I love floral, I love green leaves all around the home. This is really nice. I love this green tone, and it's not a bright pink. It's just a really nice like blush pink, and I love the green that comes out of it. It's really nice.